the lockdown came into effect, several daily wagers have been jobless. According to Quartz India, over 40% of migrant workers surveyed did not have any ration to fulfill daily needs. Introducing Atmanirbhar, an app that helps daily wagers get jobs easily just by learning new skills. Upon opening the app, the user has the option to browse through courses or take a short test to match his skill set with a course. Our courses are recorded in Hindi and subtitled in their native language. We've chosen skills such as telemarketing, social media marketing, mask making that can be learned quickly and are easy to follow through. Upon selecting a course, the user has the option to have a one-on-one interaction with the mentor through WhatsApp. In order to leverage WhatsApp's 400 million user reach in India, we integrated it into our app to enable students to easily and comfortably communicate with each other and with the mentor. The wide reach of WhatsApp and its ease of use were the primary reasons we integrated it with our app. The user can go through all the topics inside the course and also the reviews of the course. The user can also apply to jobs through our app. After they have successfully completed the course, a test will be conducted to validate their skills. Passing the exam will get them a government-recognized certificate, a monetary reward, and an opportunity to start a business or get a job. They may also talk to their mentors through WhatsApp to seek guidance regarding business setup and jobs. With over half of India's daily wagers earning just 200 to 400 rupees a day, Atmanirbhar will help them learn skills that they can use to find jobs even during lockdown or set up their own small business. This will not only make them self-sufficient, but also create a promising future for their loved ones.